Join me as I try to catch this crazy moment when a snail goes for an earthworm feast in my daughter's terrarium. So my daughter has this amazing terrarium set up in her room, filled with all sorts of creatures she loves, like snails and earthworms. She's totally fascinated by them, and to be honest, I am too. It's amazing to see how much life can thrive in such a small environment. I was checking out the terrarium the other day, making sure everything was okay, when I stumbled upon something that really caught my attention. I saw one of the snails slowly approaching an earthworm that was just chilling in the soil. At first, I thought nothing of it, but then I noticed that the snail started to move really slow towards the earthworm. My instinct told me that something was about to go down, so I grabbed my camera and started recording. As I watched, the snail started to surround the earthworm, almost like it was getting ready to pounce. The earthworm, on the other hand, seemed completely oblivious to what was happening. It just kept on wiggling and squirming, completely unaware of the danger lurking nearby. And then it happened. The snail made its move. It slowly started to climb on top of the earthworm. Its foot glided effortlessly over the soil. The earthworm started to squirm even more. But it was too late. The snail had already gotten a grip on it, and it wasn't letting go. It was really interesting seeing the things that happened on the sides of the terrarium. I was surprised how much I saw and how much movement there was. So the terrarium is basically a miniature ecosystem with its own food chain and everything. The snail and earthworm coexist peacefully, or at least that's what I thought. As the snail continues to feed on the earthworm, I couldn't help but feel a mix of emotions. It's a brutal reminder that in the wild, life and death walk a thin line. But at the same time, it's a fascinating display of nature's power and resilience. My daughter was equally shocked and amazed by what she saw, and it sparked a lot of interesting conversations about the natural world. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on what you just saw. If you've got any experiences with snails or earthworms, share them with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and check out our other fascinating animal videos.